we are back down at the house. It's a beautiful sunny day, but we are inside working on trim. I know, shocking. Right now I'm working on getting set up to do the cased opening for the closet in the guest room. And Amber is working in Reed's bathroom, getting some of that beautiful trim painted that we put up there yesterday. So let's check in on the projects here and see what we got going on. All right, I got my miter saw set up in here. I'm getting ready to cut this casing that we can get everything in our rough opening here. Get it all plumb and level, nailed up, and then we can case it out. Be ready for our closet system to go in later on. We're reusing the bifold doors that were in these rooms originally, but we're putting up all new track, new hardware. Amber has washed the bifold doors already, and she's going to put a fresh coat of paint on them after giving them a light sanding. Speaking of Amber, she's in here working away, painting the crown, and it's looking beautiful.
Oh.
All right, babe, that's looking really nice.
Thank you.
I do like the white in here.
I do too. Well, it just goes with the white tile.
It does.
We've used cream everywhere else, but
Yeah, the white really stands out nicely.
it does.
That's gonna look really good. Sorry about the dents in the wall there.
Yeah, I fixed that too.
Not
But we
bad.
already primed and painted one coat of white on before we put it up, so I'm just going back through and giving it one more coat.
Okay, excellent. So you're gonna paint the crown. What else? The window?
The window trim. I'm going to
Casing.
save the window itself for a warmer day.
Okay. So you're gonna have to have the window sashes
Yeah,
out to
just
do
take
that.
that out. And,
Okay.
Yeah, but I'll paint as much as I can. And then hopefully I'm going to vacuum.
Mhm.
And I'd love to get his vanity.
Get that set
in
today.
here. Yeah, at least get it in here. I want to see what it looks like.
Well, if we get that set, then we can do our baseboard and
Yeah.
everything else. So be nice. Okay, excellent.
Okay.
Good work, babe.
Thank you.
Smells really pretty once it's all nice and white.
Mm-hmm.
Sun shining on the hillside out back.
Mm-hmm.
We're out there working today.
Oh, it's a little too cold for that.
Still a little chilly. Spring's coming though.
Soon.
All right, so the cased opening is nailed up. Everything's plumb, and jam is nice and level across the top and secured to the rough opening. Looking good. Now we're ready for some casing. Dad's here, give me a hand. What do you think, Dad?
Looks good.
Look good to you?
Before long, you'll be hanging clothes in it.
I know. Almost looks like a closet now. So we'll get some casing cut, get that installed on both sides. And then we're going to wait to do the hardwood floors, and then we'll actually put the track up and hang the doors once everything's in place, because you got to put a little bracket down on the floor itself to hold the bottom of the bifold doors. But this is going to be looking great. One less thing to have to do with the hardwood floors in place, so we don't worry about beating things up there. We'll actually be able to get the baseboard done once the hardwood floors are in too. Have to do some creative work here. This was a access panel for plumbing and electric and stuff that had to go through this area. So we're gonna have to do some creative work there to get that trimmed out, but overall looking good. Amber has moved on to Grant's bathroom, working on the paint here around the tile.
Yes.
Had to redo that corner, didn't I?
Yeah, and I already had this paint out for Reed's bathroom, so
Yeah.
I just come in and knock this out real quick.
Nice. It's gonna look good.
Thank you.
One less thing to worry about. Any more thoughts on the crown in here?
I don't know.
Back and forth,
I think some sort of flat crown, you know, just that would,
less detailed.
yeah.
Okay.
Something that's not, you know, at an angle.
Oh, okay. So, gotcha. Okay. We'll explore some options.
Yeah, I don't know. To be continued.
To be continued. All right, we'll keep painting.
All right.
We're making good progress on that cased opening there for the closet in the guest room.
You better be. I've got a list.
I know. We'll come check it out here in a sec. It looks great.
All right.
Keep it.
All right, so you just fit the last piece in there? Ready to nail it? Yeah.
Hey, how's it going? Yep. Kind of got the back folded over the...
Yeah, that looks comfortable.
Good feeling.
Thankfully, there's only one more upstairs closet.
Yay.
Should got a shelf in it too.
No. No. It's the new one that we built for Grant. Good job.
Thanks.
Time for some lunch.
Sounds good. There we go. Couldn't get it up there without fire going through. All right, so this closet is officially done. Got the casing on the inside and the outside completed. This was fun working in here. Yeah, ignore that. Somebody had an issue with the saw. It was me. So that part's done. So now we're going to move on to this door opening that Dad's standing in. We got to get some casing around it. And I think that's it for the guest room. Everything else is complete until we're ready to set the door. I think we're gonna wait on that until we've gotten last of the tile and everything done in there. So once that's done, then we'll be able to finish the casing there. But other than that, this room is complete. Looking good, isn't it, Dad?
Amen.
All right. All right, we just got the casing done on the guest bedroom door. Heading out into the hallway there. Looks pretty good, doesn't it, Dad?
Very good. Everything's pretty well ship-shape in here.
Coming together nicely, isn't it?
You bet.
So I think we're going to move on down the hall. Back into Grant's room. Amber's got everything cleared out of the closet here. So we're going to go ahead and take some measurements and get the casing done for his bypass doors. Shouldn't be too bad, theoretically. So we'll get some measurements on the doors and figure out our track length. Then go ahead and get the opening cleaned up a little bit here. We'll have to remove any drywall that's sticking off of the edge of the opening there. Make a little bit of a mess. Other than that, looks like it's a pretty good opening. So we'll go ahead and get our measurements done, pieces cut, and get that track cut. All right, so we just got done trimming off a bunch of drywall. Dad's cleaning up the mess. Thank you, sir. We took our measurements and took them again and then took them another time. Make sure that we were cutting our jamb the right dimensions, and we just got everything nailed up and glued for good measure. So we're getting ready to slide our casing into the rough opening here, get everything shimmed up and get her nailed in place. All right, so the cased opening is looking good. We got the inside all nice and plumb and level and shimmed and nailed in place. And now we're working on the casing on the outside. Got the first piece up here. Getting ready to cut the piece for the other side. And we'll get the top on, and then we'll move inside and take care of the inside of the closet. So looking good. Gonna keep on cutting and nailing stuff up. Making progress. All right, Grant's closet is done. We got the cased opening all installed and the casing installed inside and out. So we are good to go here. As soon as we get our hardwood floors down, we'll be able to go ahead and install the bypass doors. Those are leaning over against the wall over yonder. What do you think, hon? Look good to you?
They do.
You exhausted?
I'm tired.
Me too. It's been a long weekend. Got a lot done though, didn't we?
Yeah, it's amazing what you can get done without kids.
Yeah, the kids have been with the in-laws all weekend, so they've been hanging out, relaxing, away from all the dust and grime and craziness. So I'm sure they'll come back feeling refreshed and
Yes.
ready to take on the week. Unlike us, who'll be dragging into Monday, just like every other day.
Thought we were going out on a date night.
Yeah, date night. Date night. Sounds good. So what all we got accomplished this weekend? Crown molding,
Yes, lots of casing.
crown molding, casing,
I did finish Reed's room, Reed's bathroom.
Reed's bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll take a look in there. You got this painted out, didn't you?
I did. Got that wall. It's hard to see it on the
Looks nice.
camera, but yeah, I got that painted. So.
Yeah, that's really good. So Grant's bathroom's coming together. Grant's closet's done. We still got to get Grant's door installed, but waiting on finishing up the grout with the tile there before we do that. What else do we do in here this weekend? Oh, we did his other window.
Yeah.
Got that taken care of. That looks nice. And let's see.
We did the closet.
Big changes here in the guest room. We got the rest of the crown installed this weekend. Just looks very, very nice. Got that door case that you're standing in. And the closet's cased out. Ready for its bifold doors. And then last but not least, we got Reed's room looking good. No changes here in the room, I guess. Mostly just in the bathroom. Bathroom, we got the crown up. Amber got it all caulked and
Painted.
nail holes filled and painted.
It's pretty good.
Looking really good.
I did the window casing too.
Window casing, okay, good.
All painted.
Looking nice. Like that white. That looks really good.
Does look pretty.
Beautiful.
So I think we're ready for the cabinet install.
Okay, very exciting.
Yay! I did a paint on my nose.
Yes, you do a paint on your nose.
All right, continue. You told me I did, but I didn't realize I did.
Yeah, it's still there. It's okay. It's dry. Oil base. It'll be there for a while.
Yeah, really. Especially because I'm out of paint thinner. Get some out of the garbage.
Got some nail polish remover or something at home.
I'm done.
Eat your nose. It's the price you pay for good work, huh?
I know.
Well, speaking of good work, we've done a lot of it this weekend. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. It's been a great episode. Please hit that subscription button so you don't miss a single episode of anything we got coming up.
That sounds good. Just go with it. I'm tired.
Give us a like if you would, please. Got any comments or questions, leave those down below. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, share the channel. We got, I don't know, 170 subscribers or something going on. So some of you out there are paying attention. Please share with your friends, family, neighbors, strangers at the gas station, anybody who might be interested in Woodmere State Revival.
Yeah, no one cares.
Hey, that's mean. Those 167 people just got offended.
I'm sorry, people. We love you.
All right, we'll see you guys again real soon. Take care. Bye.
Bye.